Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Halloween front yard decoration ideas provide the perfect opportunity to transform the outdoor space into a spooky spectacle that captivates the imagination to set the stage for a hauntingly memorable experience. Start by draping spider webs across trees and bushes, giving the yard an abandoned and eerie vibe. Arrange a lineup of creatively carved pumpkins with weak grins and haunting faces. Adding an aggro glue with flickering candles or LED lights introduce a spooky atmosphere with life-size Halloween figures like ghosts, witches, or zombies strategically placed around the yard to surprise the delight passerby. To create a chilling graveyard scene, use tombstone and skeletons emerging from the ground, complete with the eye frog for an ended haunting effect. Embrace the ghostly spirit by hanging white sheets or gauzy fabric from trees, giving the illusion of floating appreciation in the night. Utilize outdoor projectors to cast ghostly images or creepy animations onto the house facade, adding an element of cinematic spookiness. For a more family-friendly approach, introduce playful and visualized elements like friendly ghosts, grinning jack-o'-lanterns, and a colorful witches. In addition to decoration, consider spooky sound effects and eerie music to complete haunted ambience. With a mix of creativity and imagination and a dash of fright, Halloween front yard decoration ideas can turn an ordinary yard into a captivating and spine-tingling experience that embraces the thrilling spirit of the season. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.